Dear student, in today's online classes for 12th class, I will teach a book for stars, a lesson The Tiger King. Your lesson number first. First chapter has not been included in your syllabus, so I am going to teach you this lesson. Now the story of the lesson. जो स्टोरी होती है कि किंग के बारे में होती है. The story of the lesson is about a king. When he was born, then he uttered some of his word from his mouth, and they were very clearly. वे बहुत स्पष्ट थे. Hearing his word, उसके शब्दों सुनकर all the astrologer stood there become astrologer. बहुत ही स्टोन भौचक्के रह गए थे. राजा ने बोला था, पूछा था मेरी मौत किससे होगी, कैसे होगी, और जो सिर कहा था, द एस्ट्रोलॉजर टोल्ड देम हिम दैट यू वर बोर्न इन अ बुल नक्षत्र होता है जो वृष नक्षत्र पैदा हुए, इसलिए तुम्हारा मौत किसी बैल या कैनोट टाइगर से होगी. मीन्स कि द किंग वाज टाइगर किंग वाज नॉन विथ मैनी नेम. ये बहुत से नामों द्वारा जाना जाता था. एंड when the tiger king became old, then all the persons in his kingdom were talking about the incident which happened in his childhood. जो उसके बचपन हुई थी बातें कर रहे थे कि राजा की मौत एक टाइगर से होगी. Slowly the news also reached to the ears of the king. उस राजा कानों तक पहुंच जाती है. So he at once gave up all the work of his kingdom and set his goal to tiger hunting tour. When he killed first tiger, जब उसने पहला चीता मारा, he called the astrologer. उसने एस्ट्रोलॉजर बुलाया कि मैंने पहले चीता मार दिया, nothing happened to me, मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Then the astrologer told him that in this way you may kill 99 tiger. इस तरीके से आप 99 चीते मार सकते हो, but the last one you will not be able to kill. And now the king started his tiger hunting. चालू हो जाता है. And thus he killed about 60 or 70 tigers in his kingdom. Now the tiger population has extinct in his kingdom. अब वो लुप्त हो जाती है. So he thought to be married. शादी करने की सोचता है from a kingdom which has a number of tigers. The divan searched such kingdom and beautiful girls. The king was married. राजा की शादी हो जाती है. And whenever the king went to his wife's kingdom, जब वह पत्नी के राज जाता है तो he killed 10 और 12 टाइगर एट वन टाइम, एक बार मार जाता है. एंड 10 प्रकार से he was able to kill 99 टाइगर, but the 100 टाइगर was not to be easily found. सरलता से नहीं पाया जाता. The king became very restless. He gave up all the work of his kingdom. सब छोड़ देता है. And started to search the 100 tiger. The divan carried a tiger from the Madras zoo से लाता है. The tiger was carried in a car. When the king saw the tiger and pointed his gun towards him, he fired. But the bullet of his gun does not strike the tiger. The tiger killed. The tiger was not killed. He only swooned. बेहोश हो गया था. When the hunters the king ordered the hunters to be carried this tiger with prompts. बहुत खुशी के साथ लाया जाए. When the hunter went to the टाइगर के पास जाते हैं तो it stayed. Then no one dared to tell the truth of the king. किसी ने साथ नहीं किया. So the hunter killed the tiger themselves. स्वयं मार दिया and carried it. Now it was the king's birthday. So he went into a shop and bought a wooden tiger which has some pins. इसमें कुछ कीले लगे हुए थे. Once the tiger and his the tiger king and his son was playing. वो खेल रहे थे with the tiger. A pin struck in his arm. उसके भुजा चुभ जाती है. It spread into septic. The doctor was called from Madras से बुलाए जाते हैं. The doctor operated his arm. When they came from the operation theatre, then they announced the operation was successful, but the tiger king was dead. And thus इस प्रकार से the 100 tigers take revenge of the 99 टाइगर्स. इस प्रकार से 100 चीता उसे मार देता है और वो अपने सभी साथियों का बदला ले लेता है. Dear student, I am writing homework on the blackboard. You have to try to give the answers of this question. So your first question is, who is the tiger king? And why does he get that name? Why does he get that name? Question number 2. Why did the royal what will the Maharaja do to find the required number of tigers to kill? What will the Maharaja do to find the required number of tigers? Required number of tigers. And your next question is, what will now happen to the astrologer? Question number 3 है, what will now happen to the astrologer? To the astrologer. Dear student, these are the questions. You will try to give the answers or write in your fair copy. That's all.